Okay. So I don't want this. When someone clones the code, by default, it is connecting to main branch. I don't want like that. If someone clones, by default, it should be connected to the development branch. So for that, what you can do is you can go to settings. Settings. Here it is showing repository name here. Okay. Where is the branches here? Left side. Okay, here branches. What is the default branch? Main, right? Here you click on edit, give that as develop. And okay, branch already exists. What is this? Rename. Where is that? Sorry, default branch. Oh, this is rename. Sorry, I didn't see that. I thought like it is this. Okay, main branch is this. Switch to another branch. Okay, this is a new. I'm sorry. Switch to another branch. Sorry, guys. You have to click on this. Switch to another branch. What is the new branch? Main branch, and update it. So main branch to develop. I changed to develop. Here it is main, right? I change it to develop and update it. I understood. Update the default branch. Go on mute. Okay. Don't make me tell once again. So now the default branch has been changed to develop. So what I did, I was in my repository. Go to settings, branches. Here, switch to another branch. Here, you select the whatever branch you want as a default branch and click on update and confirm it. Now, if someone clones, let me delete this and clone once again. I'm deleting it. Okay, I have to close the git bash. Right now, I'll clone once again. Git okay, now cd. Here, if I type branch, by default, where it is connected to development branch. So this is the step we have to do. Whenever we create a repository, right, in real time, we get a default branch and main branch. So with that, we will create one more other branches like develop QA, what and all it is required. So what should be my default branch, like develop in general. So we have to go and make that branch as a default branch so that when someone clones the repository, by default, they will be connected to that development branch. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
How to change the default branch? You know how to change the default branch. You understood? Huh?
Yes.
So when someone clones this repository, by default, they will be connected to development branch instead of main branch. Clear? Okay. Next, how to switch between the branches? I just showed you. Git checkout, branch name. Git checkout, branch name. Now, I want to create a branch through commands. I want to create a command. I want to create a branch through commands, not from here. Not from here. I don't want to create from here. Here I am going to create a branch, not this. Through commands also I can create a branch. How to create a branch is, if I type git branch, what will happen? It will show the current connected branch.
Connected to.
Right? With the git branch, if I give like this, test, git branch test, it created a branch called test. If I type git branch, see, it created one more branch from test as the name as test. It created one more branch with the name test. Understood, guys?
From develop, sir.
Yes, exactly. How can you say that is from develop? The new branch will be created from the current connected branch. If you want to create a test branch from main branch, first you have to check out to main branch and then you create a branch called test. So the new branch will be created from the current connected branch. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. Test branch has been connected. Test branch has been created, but is that going to be my current connected branch?
No.
No. Again, if I want to connect to this branch, what I have to do?
Git
To change.
Git checkout test. If I use git checkout -test, it will connect to that branch. But two steps are involved. I want to create a branch. First, I have to create a branch and then check out to that branch. Instead of doing that 2 steps, we can do it in a single step. Means we can create a new branch and automatically connect to that branch using this option. Git checkout test. If I use, it will connect to the test branch. But instead of that, if I use -b, something called a sample, what it will do is git checkout sample -b sample -b, as you are using, it will create a branch called a sample and connect to that. See here, switch to this git branch. So from that current connected branch, development was my current connected branch. This as the from branch, this checkout created one more branch called a sample and automatically connected to that. Okay. If I use git branch test, it will create a branch. Then you have to use checkout to connect to that. If you use -b with the git checkout, if you use -b option, it will create a new branch and automatically connect to that branch. Understood? This is an interview question.
It is created from the development branch, or it is how it is created?
That what I said. This
Some
is,
data will be.
Current.
no, this is the
Quite
third time. This is the third time you are asking. Means the same question asked in last 10 minutes. I clearly said the new branch will be created from this current connected branch. So while creating this new sample branch, what was my current connected branch? What was develop? So with that branch only, this as the from branch, it created a sample branch. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now this is the branch. Now tell me where these 2 branches got created, in my local or where? In my local. So when I created these 2 branches, are those going to be available in GitHub? If I refresh this branch, are they available in going to be available here? No. Why? Because I created these 2 branches in my local. If I want to make these branches available in my GitHub repository, I want to push them. Without pushing, how can they know it? Yes or no? When I create a new branch, I don't want to commit the changes. Why? Because all the changes from the development from branch already committed. I just got these 2 branches, sample and test. Now I want to push the branches. How to push the branches is using git push only, but using this. Okay, using this git push like this. Git push, which branch you want to push? Sorry, I forgot the syntax. Git push origin space colon branch name is test. I want to push this. Okay, enable remote test. Remote ref does not exist. Okay, something. Okay, this is for deleting a branch. This syntax is for when you delete a branch. Okay, for new branch, I forgot the syntax. Git branch push. If you let me try this. Git push. Git push -u origin test. Okay, let me try this. Yeah, I think this is the correct. Yes, correct. So now see this like this. The same command only. Git push. I was saying right. -u origin or optional, but this is a new branch. This is not there in GitHub. This is not there in GitHub. This is a new branch in my local. I want to push it. So you have to specify like this. Git push -u origin test. Now if I go here and refresh this, I'll be able to see the test branch also. Test branch. Now same likewise, I want to push the sample branch. So same thing. Let me try this. It has been pushed. Now if I go here, that sample is not there. Let me refresh once. So without refreshing, don't ping me, sir. I pushed it. Here it is success on Git bash. Here it is success. It is showing as pushed, but here it is not showing. You have to refresh it. Okay. Now see that sample is also there. Understood, guys? How to change the default branch and how to create a branch in local and check out to that. In a single shot, if you want to create a branch and check out, how to do that and how to push the locally created branch to GitHub. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again, that is the interview question. Like, what is the command to create a branch? Git branch name. How to check out to that? Git checkout. But I want to create a branch and check out to that branch in one command, single command. Git checkout -b branch name. That is the interview question. You remember it. Okay. Yes, Tejeshwar.
Sir, if we add any files into new local Git branch, and if we push the branch into GitHub, will the files also be automatically added to the GitHub,
Sorry.
sir?
See, you created a new branch in local.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you
And
do?
if we created new files like d.java, e.java
Okay.
in the new local,
Okay. Okay.
and if we push the branch to
See, you
new-
created new files. Have you committed them? No, you have to commit them. Without committing, how can you push? Okay.
without committing, the branch also cannot be pushed, sir.
Cannot be pushed. No, cannot be pushed. Okay.
Okay,
You have
sir.
to commit those and then push. Understood?
Okay, sir. Along with the branch, they cannot be pushed.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So whether it is a newly created branch, old branch, the functionality is same. Okay. Same. Commit, add, everything is same. Status, everything is same. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it for today. Any other questions?